Alright, this is one of 25 of those bolts I just made a video on. So I'm going to show you what they are used for. So you see there's the 4-post, spindles, and 3-post. And basically these come pre-threaded, as you can tell, on both style. Now this one has a spot cut in it for apparently a nut to go in, but this bolt fits exactly. If I can get, see how it threads in, boom. So these are 5/16 by 1 inch, 5/16 inch diameter at the end, and the threaded part is 1 inch long. And this is a number 18 UNF or UNC threaded bolt. But these are made for particular already threaded mandrel housings for your lawnmower, be it a 3-tab or a 4-tab such as this one. So hope this helps somebody in making sure that you get the right stuff, because when you buy these, make sure they have the hardware with them. If not, you're going to have to order the hardware, and that's what these are for. And what I do with them is I put anti-seize on them. They're zinc coated so they shouldn't rust, but rust. So y'all have a great day and hope this helps somebody. Thank you.